Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on your Xbox 360 and grabbing the controller. This gets the system live and responsive. Once done, choose Wired Ethernet if you want the simplest path, or prepare your Wi-Fi SSID and password for a wireless link. Make sure your modem/router is online and nearby to avoid weak signal issues. You need your Microsoft account credentials to complete sign-in later, so have that email and password at hand before moving into the network menus. From the dashboard, go to Guide then Settings and open System followed by Network Settings. This is where you tell the console how to contact Xbox Live. Choose Wired for direct connection or select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Using WPA2 is preferred for security. After entering credentials, run the test Xbox Live connection to verify IP, NAT, and Xbox Live reachability. If the test stalls, take note of any error codes so you can troubleshoot specifically. Sign in to Xbox Live by selecting Sign In and entering your Microsoft account details. This links your profile to the service and enables multiplayer and marketplace access. If prompted, allow profile download or system updates. These complete the handshake with Xbox Live and ensure features work correctly. Once signed in, test online features like Friends or Store to confirm success. If anything goes wrong, restart the router and console, rerun the network test, and note any persistent error codes for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.